Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to fix Forza Horizon 5 Sign In Needed PS5. To resolve the Sign In Needed error in Forza Horizon 5 on PS5, the primary solution involves ensuring your Microsoft account is properly linked to your PlayStation Network account. This is typically done during the initial game setup, where you'll be prompted to link your accounts and scan a QR code to log in via a Microsoft webpage. If you're experiencing technical issues after this initial setup, try the following. Verify service status. Check the Xbox and Microsoft status pages to see if there are any reported outages or service issues. If there are any limited or major outages, it indicates a problem on their end and you need to wait for the service to be restored. Link Microsoft account if needed. If you're still encountering issues, you may need to relink your Microsoft account. This can be done by starting Forza Horizon 5 on your PS5. The game should prompt you to link your Microsoft account. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may involve scanning a QR code and signing in through the Microsoft website. If you encounter an error in the process doesn't complete, try again and ensure you're using the correct Microsoft account credentials. Consider other potential fixes. Reset Microsoft account password. Some users have reported success by resetting their Microsoft account password. Restore licenses. On your PS5, you can try restoring licenses through the console settings, which may help resolve account-related issues. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstalling Forza Horizon 5 can sometimes resolve persistent issues. Check internet connection. Ensure your PS5 has a stable internet connection. DNS settings. Some users have reported success by changing their PS5's DNS settings. If you try all the above steps and are still unable to sign in, contact Forza support on PlayStation for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos.